Welcome to the unboxing and feature highlights of the DDX375BT. I'm Seth, coming to you from the Kenwood Training Department. Today, we'll take a look inside of the box, show you what it has, and then cover some of its feature highlights. Inside of the box, you will see the wiring or power harness. Next, you will see the e-brake wire. Then will be the included Bluetooth microphone, as the DDX375BT does have Bluetooth built into it to make and receive phone calls wirelessly with excellent sound quality. Then you'll see the included mounting screws. Next will be the receiver itself. Then will be the instruction manual, as well as some other manuals available in other languages. Also will be the Kenwood warranty card. The DDX375BT does include a 1-year warranty. Now, let's take a look at the backside of the receiver. In the lower left-hand corner, you will see the input for the optional SiriusXM satellite radio tuner, the SXV300. To the right of that, you will see your two inputs for the Maestro RR iDataLink interface. Above that will be the wiring power harness input. And on the right side, you will notice the Bluetooth microphone input. Below that, you will see some cables. The light green cord is going to be your parking switch wire. The purple wire with a white stripe is your reverse wire. And next to that will be your USB input. To the right of that, you will see a video output. And below that, the rear camera input. Next to that is your 3 sets of 4-volt RCA pre-outs. Rear at the top, front in the middle, and subwoofer at the bottom. And next to that will be your AM/FM antenna input. Now let's power the receiver on and take a look at the front. Starting at the top, you will see the disc slot for a CD or DVD. To the left of that will be the eject button for the disc slot. And to the left of that will be the security indicator light or reset button. To the left of that will be the remote sensor, to be used with an optional Kenwood KNA-RCDV331 remote control. Below that will be the home button. Pressing this button will return to the home screen. Pressing and holding this button will turn the power completely off. Simply press and release to turn the power back on. Below that will be the cam button. This will display the picture from the connected rearview camera. Pressing and holding this button will turn off the screen. Below that will be the tell button. Pressing this will display the phone control screen. Pressing and holding this button will activate the voice dialing function. Below that, you will see the volume knob. Turn this to adjust the volume. Press in to access the menu screen, or press and hold to attenuate the sound. The DDX375BT can really bring your ride to life. When utilizing its internal 13-band EQ with digital time alignment, you can fine-tune the sound to your desire. Also, with the 3 sets of RCA pre-outs, you can add in Kenwood amplifiers and speakers to get the utmost in sound quality. Speaking of sound quality, how about new FLAC support up to 96K 24-bit resolution via a USB flash drive? This means that you can achieve better than CD sound quality, which is at 44.1K 16-bit, all from the convenience of your Kenwood multimedia receiver. You'll also see support for apps such as Spotify, Pandora, and iHeartRadio, as well as the support for SiriusXM using the optional satellite radio tuner, the SXV300. The receiver also features new technology such as our Kenwood Music Mix. This gives you the ability to switch between different Bluetooth audio devices with ease. Also, be sure to check out the ADS Maestro RR radio replacement interface. This can really bring your Kenwood multimedia receiver to life. Thanks for taking time out of your day to learn about the new Kenwood DDX375BT. We'll look forward to seeing you again next time.
Kenwood.